Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Monday, October 5th, 2018. Looking at fire potential impacts over the next few days, today will be the quietest day across the Great Basin with the least amount of precipitation. We will see some scattered light showers across parts of Nevada and Idaho, with some high elevation snow across portions of central Idaho. As we move into Saturday, we'll see another storm system drop into the area. That will bring more widespread showers to the area. We'll see snow showers above about 6,000 to 7,000 feet in the higher terrain. And then moving into Sunday, we'll see drier air move in from the west, and those showers will be confined to the eastern part of the Great Basin, again with snow across the higher elevations. Over the past 24 hours, there was quite a bit of precipitation across the northern part of the Great Basin. You can see quite heavy precipitation across parts of northern Utah, and quite a bit of lightning associated with this precipitation. Fire activity is very diminished thanks to the cooler, wetter weather that we've seen over the past few days. Over the past 7 days, conditions have become significantly wetter. You can see from the image on the left that the majority of the Great Basin has seen some precipitation over the past 7 days. The exception to that is portions of southern Idaho, which have not seen precipitation and are still below normal. Looking at the map on the right, you can see that mainly about the southern 2/3 of the Great Basin are becoming closer to normal as far as precipitation. Further north, things have not been quite as wet as far as precipitation. However, despite the lack of precipitation across the northern part of the area, you can see the ERC percentiles are on the decrease everywhere, with the majority of the Great Basin below the 50th percentile. ERCs have taken a very dramatic plunge over the past week. You can see from these two charts on the right, if you look at the green line, that's the currently observed ERC, it basically fell off a cliff, a really significant dramatic drop once we shifted to the cooler and wetter weather. Satellite this morning shows a disturbance exiting the area with another weather system moving into the Pacific Northwest, and that is the system that will bring us more widespread showers tomorrow. So again, for today, you can see moisture in place across part of the Great Basin. We will see those showers across parts of Nevada and Idaho today with that moisture in place. Winds will be very light across the area this afternoon, and we will see those showers across the western part of the Great Basin with the potential for snow across the higher elevations in central Idaho. As we move into Saturday, another weather system drops into the area. We will see temperatures cool somewhat moving into Saturday. Snow is expected across the higher elevations of most of the Great Basin with that cooler weather system moving in. And we could see some gusty winds across parts of Nevada. As we move into Sunday, that storm system will slowly begin to move off to the eastern part of the area. With that moisture moving east, we will see a drying across the western part of the area with a continuation of those showers and some isolated thunderstorms across the eastern part of the area on Sunday. We also see some pretty gusty winds across parts of Nevada, western Utah, southwest and southwestern Idaho on Sunday. Over the next 3 days, quite a bit of precipitation is expected across the area. The portions of the Great Basin that will see the most precipitation are parts of southern and eastern Utah, as well as Arizona Strip, and it's looking like there is a potential for over an inch of rain additional to fall over the next 3 days. As we move into Monday, we continue to have that system moving out of the area. We will see a decrease in storm coverage on Monday with that drier air making its way into the western part of the Great Basin, and temperatures will be very slow to rebound. As we move into Tuesday, we will continue to see some cool, unsettled weather across the northern part of the area, and with quite a bit of air moving into the Great Basin from the north, we really won't see temperatures increase too much into Tuesday. That continues to be the case moving into Wednesday. We'll continue to see unsettled weather on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we may begin to see things finally start to warm a bit, starting across the western part of the Great Basin, and a decrease in storm activity with drier air moving into the area. Over the next 7 days, again, quite a bit of precipitation expected across the Great Basin, with the greatest amounts across eastern Utah, where some higher elevation areas could see up to 3 inches. Finally, in the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the entire area, with above normal precipitation across the southeastern part of the Great Basin. And that's it. Let us know if you have any questions, and you can find us on Twitter. Thanks.